Okay, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening kung kailan nyo man makapanood itong video na ito. So for this video, we are going to solve two problems using the concept of scanner class, and of course, i-combine natin yung concept ng mga diniscuss natin last time. So in this first problem, sabi dito is we need to write a Java program that takes, okay? So, nandito yung first clue natin, which is the word na takes two numbers as input. Okay, meron na siya. The input, and then the takes na verb. So, from these two words, a-analyze na natin na kailangan natin gumamit ng scanner class. Kailangan yung program na gagawin natin is nag-a-accept ng input coming from the user and display. So, kapag sinabi natin display, papasok na kaagad yung concept ni system.out. So, kailangan natin kung ano yung in-input ni user is kailangan ma-display natin. But sabi dito, the product. Okay. So, kapag sinabi natin product, ang ibig niya sabihin dito is yung multiplication operators. So, ibig sabihin, once na nakuha natin yung dalawang input coming from the user, i-multiply natin sila and then i-display natin yung result ng multiplication, which is tinatawag natin as the product. So, paano natin yan simulan? Of course, is mag-o-open tayo ng Visual Studio Code. Ayan. So, may naka-open na. So, mag-new window tayo. Halimbawa. Ayan. Okay. And then, Control-Shift-P. Tapos, hanapin natin kung wala sa option. Doon sa RSNC, Create Java Project. Click lang natin. And then, piliin natin si No Wheel Tools. Select tayo ng folder o directory kung saan natin siya gustong i-save, and then select the project location. Lagay natin yung project name natin, which is for example dito is pangalanan kong the product, and then hit enter lang o press enter, and then nandito na tayo. So nasa src folder yung ating Java file. O dito tayo maglalagay ng mga Java file natin. By default is may naka-create na app.java. And then naka-configure na yung basic structure ng isang Java file na may main method. Tanggalin natin ito. And then tulad ng diniscuss last time, so kapag gagamit tayo, kukuha tayo ng input coming from the user, kailangan nating import si scanner class. So lagay tayo dito. Lagay natin is import java.util.scanner. Okay. And then once na na-input natin, so kailangan natin sabihan si user na kailangan niya mag-input ng dalawang number. So, but before that, pwede tayong mag-take muna o mag-instantiate ng new scanner object. So, scanner number is equals to new. Malagyan natin halimbawa is number 1 is equals to new scanner system.in. Okay. And then, para sa number 2, so gawa tayo ng new scanner object na papangalanan natin ng number 2. And then, magdi-declare tayo ng variable na dalawa dahil sabi dito sa problem is take two number as an input. So, takes two number as an input. So, magdi-declare na kagad tayo ng variable na dalawa. So, for this, for example, is int. Okay? Int num1, and then comma lang, and then num2. Pwede yan. Pwede rin naman kung ayaw ninyong gumamit ng comma, pwede nyo din namang gawin na si num2. Ayan. Pwede ninyong gamitin yan o gawin yan kung same data type lang naman yung gagamitin ninyo for that variables. So, kaya dito, pwede natin ganyan na lang yung declaration ng ating variable. And then next, syempre kailangan natin mag-display ng text. Okay? Na sinasabi natin is enter number. Oh, no. Enter first number. Ayan. Okay. And then, enter lang natin. Halimbawa is num1 is equals to number 1 dot next int. Okay, bakit next int yung ginamit natin? Kasi integer yung ginamit natin data type doon sa declaration ng ating variable. And then next, pagkatapos nating mahingi ang first number, magsisystem.out ulit tayo. Ayan, tanggalin ko lang yung ln ng file sa isang line lang. And then, enter second number. Okay, and then, try lang natin. Num2 is equals to number 2 dot next int ulit. Dahil same naman sila na integer. Ay, int data type. So, after na makuha natin yung mga input ng numbers, so, maglalagay na tayo o gagawin na natin yung next na requirement ng problem, which is i-display kung ano yung product ng dalawang number na yun. So, gawin natin yan. Siyempre, kapag display ulit is system.out.println. And then, lagay natin is the product of the two numbers is, ayan, and then concatenate lang natin. Same ito sa concept ng previous activity natin. So, pwede natin gawin is close parentheses and then num1 times num2. Ayan. So, tingnan mabuti. Nag-declare tayo ng dalawa o nag-instantiate tayo ng dalawang scanner object. Pinangalanan natin number 1 and number 2. After that, nag-declare tayo ng variable using the int data type and then num1 and num2 yung pangalan. After that, in-inform natin si user na kailangan niyang mag-enter ng number. And then next is yung in-enter ni user na number is in-assign natin as value ni num1. Then next ulit, pagkatapos niya mag-enter ng number, in-inform natin siya na kailangan niya ulit mag-enter ng another number. And then yung input niya is automatic in-assign natin as value ni num2. And after that, din-display natin yung product gamit si multiplication operator. Tignan natin yung output. So, execute ko. Ayan. So, sabi niya is enter first number. So, for example, is 20. And then, enter second number. Halimbawa is 5. And then display. So, the product of the two number is 100. Pwede din naman nagamitan ninyo ng another variable ito sa halip na dito ninyo mismo gawin sa line number 16 yung multiplication process. Pwede dito is mag-declare kayo ng int product ng variable and then dito ninyo i-multiply si num1 si num2 and then sa halip na ganyan yung gagawin dito, tatawagin na lang natin si product ng variable. Kapag in-execute natin yan, So, okay, madami na dahil okay. And the first number, halimbawa, is 10 and then 500. So, the product is 5,000. So, same lang yung output, magkaiba yung approach.